story. The sun goes out, there's no more shaking, breaking out. I guess worry, reaches me soon. So what is wrong with analyzing? This is hard reach, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. Oh, this is your new places to go. I've got to leave it, time on a show. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane.
One more time, tell me what to say to make them think I'm fine. 'Cause we both know that I'm running out of lies. Don't let me down, don't sell me out, don't blow my cover. Yeah, you're the only one who knows that I still love her. You and this is real, we ain't got to pretend. The cold world over here is full of pressure and pain. Enough for me, now listen again. Used to see 5-0 throw the crack by the bench, now
From the Honey's Air and Solar Studio.
Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am. And I will only tell you once, you're in trouble. What are you gonna do? You're in trouble. It's what you're going through, going through. You're such a teaser, give me life. I live with juggles and live with knives. There's always trouble on your mind. And won't you meet me and draw the line? If that's the price you're paying to love. But you had to roll. I came by your house. 1994, young and free. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane.
Life's the same, I'm moving in stereo. Life's the same, except for my shoes. Life's the same, you're shaking like tremolo. Life's the same, it's all inside you. It's so easy to blow up your problems. It's so easy to play up your breakdown. It's so easy to fly through a window. It's so easy.
This is Steve Gorman Rocks on the Hawk.